Hello everyone. Welcome to Dongguan Sungpo Industrial Company. I'm Sungpo, the chairman of Sungpo. Sungpo mainly deals in massage equipment, beauty care series, outdoor air pump series, and motorcycle equipments. Now I'll show you around our factory. Sungpo was established in 2017, located in Fenggang, Dongguan. Covers an area of 5,000 square meters, has 5 assembly lines and more than 100 workers, equipped with automatic production equipment, 10,000 units daily output. We specialize in massage guns, beauty masks, and air pumps design, mold development, and production. Provide a one-stop solution. We have a professional research and development team committed to product innovation and has obtained more than 50 patents at home and abroad. Develop 10 to 20 new products every year. We won the National High-Tech Enterprise, at the same time passed ISO 9001, BSCI, FDA and other export certifications and qualifications. We have a professional quality inspection department and modern laboratories in strict accordance with ISO 9001 quality management system. Ensure that production meet high standard requirements. We have a storage area of 2,000 square meters, spot delivery on the same day, customized 5-day sampling, 25-day delivery order, ensure stable delivery. We have rich domestic and foreign cooperation experience of online and offline platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, TikTok, Taobao, Tmall, JD.com and so on. Offline like Walmart, Costco, Target and so on, including some Fortune 500 brands, have long-term cooperation with us. Sungpo looks forward to working with you to create a better future.